Here we go. Of course, the 10-speed automatic shifts seamlessly. And there's something different about the engine noise. It's a lot quieter in here. And the powertrain sounds a lot less raspy than the outgoing model. And this does come with auto stop, but I doubt we will see that in full effect today. Just because, like I said earlier, it's over 95 degrees out. But like always, the ride of this Tahoe is just great. And a lot of the 5.3s of the outgoing model that I drove had the 6-speed automatic, and it just revved a lot hotter. It was a lot clinkier. And this is just so smooth accelerating. And everything about this ride is just great so far. And here we are cruising at 77, getting about 16 miles to the gallon. And as we come down on this little grade, it's getting 26, 27 miles to the gallon. So not huge numbers in fuel economy there, but especially on more temperate days, that's where you're gonna see a lot of your fuel mileage gains when using the auto stop. And the braking is very, very good. It's very comfortable and controllable, but firm. I'm gonna cut the AC off for a split second and see if the auto stop does its thing. And there it is, the auto stop just cut on. And then, as you can see, if I push the AC button, cuts right back on. I really love this screen. It's just, it looks so great, so great. So everything's nice and bright and big. And even while you're driving, you can pull up the front-facing camera. And there it is right there. Yeah, I just love this redesign. And it's been a minute since I've actually gotten in a car that had that new car smell. And these new Tahoes, they've got it. They just smell great when you first get in them. And I'm gonna set the cruise on, coming down this back road. So at 42, we're getting 35 miles a gallon. And a lot of that has to do with the new fuel management system. It just does a great job. I could actually hear it. And you can see how low the engine is revving right now. I think it's like 1100, 1200 RPMs. And that's gonna come from having that 10-speed automatic. It's just such a smooth ride in here. It's just so comfortable. And then make sure you like the video and subscribe, because coming here shortly, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Premier as well. And that one's gonna be top of the line, heated, cooled seats, all that stuff. But I'm signing off. That's my review of the 2020, or excuse me, all new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe LT.